So I'm here at the Junttan booth with Drew Zito and Matt Eastburn. So Drew, what differentiates Junttan hammers from other hammers on the market?
Well, most of the hammers that we see on the market are your traditional freefall hammers. Our hammers have a ram weight that has a fully controlled and accelerated stroke. So what that means is the ram weights in our hammers are controlled both vertically going up and then as it's coming down to strike the pile. And what that does is it allows us to achieve a much greater energy transfer of that ram weight striking the pile.
The Junttan hammers are extremely versatile. So we have 5 frames in our fleet with over 12 different ram configurations. So each frame has at least 2 ram configurations, all the way up to 4 for our larger hammers. Minimum energy-wise, you're looking at 9 kips per foot, up to 330 kips per foot for our larger hammers. Diesel hammer-wise, with one of these hammers at the variable rams, you could have up to 6 diesel hammers in one hammer.
All of our hammers are hydraulic, so some of the different benefits that you're going to get from our hammer as opposed to your diesel or your free-falling hammer, we mentioned the efficiency. That's point number 1 that we make with customers. 2 is going to be the versatility that Matt spoke about. And then the other benefits are going to be the obvious ones when it comes to your diesel hammer. A lot less smoke, a lot less noise, a lot less vibration. Those things kind of come apart with that whole theory of the hydraulic hammer.
So this is a really big rig here. Why don't you guys tell me a little more about this rig?
So this is a PM25H. This is kind of Junttan's flagship rig. On the hammer side, the hammer that this rig accepts is the HHK 579. That means that the hammer can accept a 5-ton ram, a 7-ton ram, or a 9-ton ram, depending on the capacities that you need to hit for your project. This can accept all the way up to an 80-foot pile when it's in 5-ton mode. When you go up to the 7-ton ram, you're going to drop down to around a 77-foot pile. And then once you get all the way up to the 9-ton ram, you're going to drop down to around a 74-foot pile max. You have a very wide range of capacities that you can hit with just one hammer.
The really nice things about Junttan rigs is how operator-friendly they are. So in the cab, you have a 360 camera with cameras around for safety, so you can watch out what's going on the job site at all times. And also the energy monitoring system where you can monitor the blows per foot and energy delivered to the pile. And the nice thing about these two is how they're self-assembling. So you deliver them to the site, you can use the leader itself to put on the counterweights and the hammer. So you don't need any pieces of support equipment there. That will reduce labor costs and time on the job site.
Awesome, great information. Well, thank you very much, guys.